Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious eggless banana bread in your air fryer, step by step. First, let's gather our wet ingredients. You'll want to mash 3 ripe bananas thoroughly in a bowl. Then, add 1/4 cup of your preferred oil and 1/2 cup of sugar, mixing well. Finish by stirring in 1/4 cup of milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that lovely aroma. Now, let's prepare our dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Next, add 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Gently combine these dry ingredients. Then, gradually fold this dry mixture into your wet banana mixture until just combined, being careful not to overmix. With your batter ready, it's time to prepare for baking. Lightly grease a small, air fryer-safe loaf pan, ideally around 6 by 3 inches. Carefully pour your banana bread batter into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Preheat your air fryer to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Once preheated, place the pan in the air fryer and bake for approximately 25 to 30 minutes, or until golden brown. To check if your banana bread is perfectly baked, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Once done, carefully remove the pan from the air fryer. Allow the banana bread to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before transferring it to a wire rack. Then, slice and savor your homemade, moist, and flavorful eggless banana bread. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.